You've probably heard of data science. It's a really big growth area out there. Lots of people are asking for data scientists. The job of a data scientist is to make sense of data, large amounts of data, data about you, about other people, in all sorts of application areas, like economics, business, healthcare, education. Anywhere where there's a lot of information, a data scientist can make a difference. Have you ever shopped at Amazon? Done a search on Google? Have you ever been told something about something that you're interested in on Facebook? All of those companies use data to drive what they show you, what they sell you, what they give you. It's not just enormous companies, smaller companies are also interested in making sense of their world. Data science at Goldsmiths is going to be fundamentally creative and interdisciplinary because that's the kind of place that Goldsmiths is. It's not about computing and data science in isolation. It's about working on real problems, whether they're musical, industrial, or commercial. Students can take a year out in industry, and often when you do, you come back with not only an appreciation of what industry really wants and needs, but also briefs that you can use to work on your third-year project. The crowning achievement of a data scientist on this program would be your third-year project, where you'd work on something interesting and relevant to yourself and also to the wider world. We've had students work on Hillary Clinton's email network, on the closure of music venues, on making generative artwork, training neural networks to see new patterns. Graduates from computing at Goldsmiths are really in demand because not only do you learn the fundamentals of your trade, but you're always exposed to practice. You're always applying what you do to real briefs, real problems, in a way that lets you see the meaning of what you're doing and also be able to show that to employers further down the line. More or less everything that happens these days is driven by data. It takes data scientists to understand it.